question I often get asked is, why am I wearing a necklace? Or why did Stone Age people have necklaces? Or what's on the necklace? Or how is the necklace made? Well, the reason Stone Age people wore necklaces is a little bit like the reason people wear necklaces today. One of the reasons might be to tell people what you do, what your job is. And if you're watching this in school, there may be adults in the room who have like a badge or a necklace hanging around their necks to tell you that they're members of staff. And when I visit schools, I'm often given a badge that says visitor on it to let people know that I've signed in and that I'm a visitor and I'm come to help people learn about the Stone Age. So we can wear badges, we can wear necklaces, almost like badges, to show people what they do. So the person who was perhaps leader of the tribe might be given a necklace so that the other people knew who was the boss. Just like the leader of your tribe is maybe wearing a necklace in the classroom. And they might also have a necklace if they were the person who healed sick people, if they looked after people when they were ill. They might be given a special necklace to show that they had the special knowledge of which medicines to use to help people get better. They might also wear a necklace to tell people about their lives. Nowadays, in the modern world, we have this thing called Facebook, don't we? Adults have this thing called Facebook, where they go and do things like telling people what they had for their tea and seeing how many people like their tea and other important things like that. In the Stone Age, of course, they didn't have computers, they didn't have the internet or Facebook, but they could still tell people about their lives by wearing things on their necklace, perhaps to show what they'd done. So if you're wearing like bear's teeth on your necklace, it might be because you've had a fight with a big cave bear and you've won, and you kept the bear's teeth to show how brave and tough and strong you were. So it might be your way of saying, look at me, I'm brave and tough and strong, don't mess with me, look at my bear's teeth. Or it might be that you've been somewhere like the sea and you find these strange things there that we call shells, and you put those on your necklace to show that you've travelled to strange places and found strange things. You might just have amber beads on, or bone beads, or antler beads. You might also have little bone discs with little things drawn on them. Maybe your children might give you little bits of stones that they found with holes in that you can put on your necklace as souvenirs. So another reason for wearing a necklace was to tell people about your lives and tell people about what you'd done and who you were. Third reason for wearing a necklace might just be decoration. Just like today, people wear necklaces for decoration, and again, there might be a grown-up in your room has a necklace that they put on just because it looks nice, and that's another reason why Stone Age people wore them. Stone Age people decorated themselves just like we decorate ourselves today. They were no different to us at all. So they often used to put the things that were on necklaces might also be hung on their clothes as well. They might be sewn onto their clothes. The one time you probably wouldn't wear a necklace is if you're out hunting, because if you were trying to sneak up on something and you were trying to hide and hope it didn't hear you, you don't want a jingly blingly necklace rattling and making noise, because the animals would hear you and run away. So you wouldn't wear them all the time, but you might wear them for special occasions when you wanted to tell people about yourself.